Section 410.22, titled Hanger Bars and Supports, addresses the requirements for securely mounting light fixtures. This section mandates that hanger bars and supports must be securely fastened to the supporting structure. The term supporting structure refers to the building elements to which the hanger bars are attached, such as ceiling joists or framing members. The integrity of this connection is paramount for the safe and reliable support of the light fixture. It is essential to ensure that the hanger bars are adequately rated to support the weight of the fixture being installed. This includes considering not only the static weight of the fixture but also any potential dynamic loads that may occur, such as vibrations or impacts. The specific method of fastening the hanger bars to the supporting structure will depend on the type of structure and the materials involved. Common methods include using screws, bolts, nails, or adhesive, each of which must be appropriately sized and rated for the intended application. The code also specifies that hanger bars shall be installed in accordance with the manufacturer's instructions. These instructions provide detailed guidance on the proper installation techniques, including the correct orientation, spacing, and fastening methods. Adhering to the manufacturer's instructions is crucial for ensuring that the hanger bars perform as intended and that the fixture is securely supported. These instructions often include diagrams and illustrations that clarify the installation process, making it easier to understand and implement. Furthermore, the code requires that fixtures shall be securely attached to the hanger bars. This means that the connection between the fixture and the hanger bars must be robust and reliable, preventing the fixture from detaching or falling. The specific method of attachment will vary depending on the type of fixture and hanger bar being used. Common methods include using screws, bolts, clamps, or other specialized fasteners. It is essential to ensure that the fasteners are properly sized and tightened to provide a secure connection. In addition to the general requirements outlined in Section 410.22, there may be specific requirements that apply to certain types of fixtures or installations. For example, recessed luminaires, which are installed within a ceiling or wall, often have additional requirements related to their support and ventilation. Similarly, fixtures installed in damp or wet locations may require special considerations to prevent corrosion or electrical hazards. It is important to consult the relevant sections of the code to ensure that all applicable requirements are met. When installing hanger bars and supports, it is also important to consider the accessibility of the fixture for maintenance and repair. The fixture should be installed in a way that allows for easy access to the wiring, connections, and other components. This may involve providing sufficient clearance around the fixture or using a removable mounting system. Proper planning and execution are essential for ensuring a safe and compliant installation.